So this year, we discovered a cool new website called ftcsim.org. And when you visit that website, you'll come across this webpage. And you're not taking the arena challenge. You scroll down to see all of these cool challenges, such as just an intro to FTC Sim, and then it simulates movement of an FTC robot, and then it lets you play around with color sensors and distance sensors, and it lets you learn how to use them. And then you have puzzles using those skills you just learned in FTC Senses. And then you meet Grabby, which is a simulated arm that lets you pick up and move around blocks to complete more of the puzzles. And then you have a full simulation of the 2021 First Tech Challenge game. And in each category of challenges, you have 10 challenges to put your skills to the test, such as this number 1, line. And all of them have helpful walkthrough videos that show you what to do. This one's pre-made, but typically you just grab your motor, you'd grab your motor block from over here, you'd put the values in, then you'd grab sleep. No, just like Scratch. And everything you could possibly need is listed over here. Everything you need. And then once you're done building all your code, you hit run blocks and it runs your code. Puzzle complete. We're not moving to the next one yet because I'd like to show you another cool feature of FTC Sim, on-bot Java. You can program in Java instead of blocks, and it's the same stuff just in Java. And it's really great for learning how to program in Java because you can use the blocks, mess around with the blocks, and then see how you would write this in Java. And so if I want to know, okay, how do I format motor write? Like, how do I set the power on motor write in Java? Well, I could go to DC motor, grab motor right, or motor left, set it to right, and set the power to, we'll say, 0.5. And we look at it in Java, and that shows us the block we just put as Java code. We can delete it from here, and it doesn't vanish from the blocks. Well, yeah, it's an intuitive little system. It works well, and it's been great for teaching us how to use FTC Sim. They also have a Discord server if you have questions or want to file any bug reports. And all the challenges get harder and harder as you move through them. And so it's perfect for teaching you new skills at a manageable pace.